friends, here Rajinikanth. I am collecting the company names with the assignment, I mean, so with the questions which asked for the post of MIS. Okay, till now I collected 2. I already having questions. I mentioned the company names and the questions. So this is the 2. First of all, I will explain about Sarvatra Infotech. Sarvatra Infotech. Okay. So this is the company where asked about the questions for the post of MIS. Okay. Here observe guys. This is totally so many are there, but I collected 5. I have to collect more. Already there. Okay. For this company they asked only 5. For other company they will ask 10. For other company they will ask only 2. So like that I am segregating the company names. Okay. So here these are the 5 questions. Now I will explain you what is the minimum positive number and maximum positive number. Okay, minimum of positive number, maximum of positive number. Which one it is? Which is the positive number? All negative numbers are there and positive numbers are there. So we have to find the minimum of positive number. If people will do like this, it will not give the correct answer. Okay. So you have to do min if this all greater than 0, then take this F4. I will explain you. It's an array function. Control Shift Enter. I will explain you. If is a logical function, actually it is an array. Okay. F9. See, true, 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 true. Wherever it finds the greater than 0, so it will show us the true and remaining are falses. Okay. So what it will do? Wherever it finds the true, it will pick up that number F9. See, first one is true, here is 5, so it will pick up the 5. Third one is true, here 12, so it will pick up the 12. Okay, fourth one is 13, so it will pick up the 13. Okay, see how it picks up number F9. See, 5, 12, 13, 8, 14, 7, 13, 4, 11, all those. From here it will find the minimum value, that is 2. Okay, F9, see. Okay, the function is the same thing, no changes, but not greater than 0. Okay, but not greater than 0. F2. Just showing minus, because it is not an array function. So not greater than 0. Here you have to use less than 0. Less than 0 for max. Control Shift Enter. So minus 1 is the max. Okay, minus 10 is the minimum and minus 1 is the max number. Okay, for positive always it will show us the bigger number. Negative it will show always be negative, smallest number for biggest. So minus 1 will be the maximum number for in this range. Okay, here 56 over, coming to 57. Okay, what I said, I will remove this one. What I said, count the spaces. Count the spaces. Okay, count the spaces, how many are there. It's very easy guys. First of all, I will use this one, substitute of this comma space with nothing, so it will remove the spaces. Okay, so now we have to find length of this without spaces. F9, so it will show us the 9. Okay, it will show us the 9 length of this thing minus. Now it will show us the what it will show. It will show all the numbers, it will count all the characters. 10. It will count all the characters including space. Here excluding space. Okay, so automatically it is It's not an array function. Control enter. It's not an array function, guys. Double click. So here is 1 2 3 spaces. Okay, now you have to count how many words are there. It's very simple, guys. Is equal to plus 1. That's it. If you want, you can count it. 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 2. The spaces are 1. Without spaces, without whatever it may be, 2 words. With space, 2 words, you are counting space. Now you have to count this, only this character. Okay, you have to count how many characters are there. I'll copy this one. Simple thing, guys. Nothing is there in that. You have to what you will do, in place of space you have to use, I'll remove this one and I'll keep this one. That's it. Control enter. If you want, you can count it. Small u r's are 2. See, I, how many i's are there? 1 2 3 i's are there. Okay, now coming to 58. Here is the correct answer. Okay, sum if will not work. If you want, you can check it by clicking F2. See, I already did. Sum if will not work. You have to use dsum. Dsum. I'll show you how to do. Okay, I'll delete this one. Is equal to, I'll show you 2 methods. Okay, dsum. Okay, database including the headers. Including headers, you have to select, comma, field name. Which field name you want to count? The second field name. Either you have to click here or F9 like, or you can place it 2. These are the, you have to count how many, which column you need. 1 2 2. It will understand, and make sure that they should be same. Sales rep names should be same. Sales rep. Yes, sales rep. Okay, so you have to select the sales rep and these 2 things. Sum if will not work. If you try, then you will come to know, because it's an or. It's not and, it's an or. Okay, or criteria, or logical. Enter. See. Okay, sum if will not work. I will show you another one. Some product. One arrow F4 equal to this. Okay, plus, not into, plus. Another thing, F4 equal to this. Okay, wrap into this whole thing and multiply with this. F4, F9. See, Control Z, enter. Okay, guys. So Sarvatra Infotech conducted with 5 assignments. Only 5. Another company is 10. Another company is maybe 11 or 12. Okay. The Sarvatra Infotech conducted only with 5 questions for the post of MIS. And coming to 59, count the capital letters and count the small letters. Okay, you have to count the smallest and the capital letters. Okay, what you will do? Row, indirect, this one, not this one, sorry, ampersand, len of this one, F9. See, all came, but we need each and everything. Okay, each and everything. So mid of this, comma, this is the starting numbers, 1 from start 2 3, and number of characters each one time, F9. So all it will come, ding 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 ding, all. Okay, now simply I'll copy this one, exact, use exact, comma, upper of all these things. Okay, let me check F9. See, wherever it finds the true, it will show us wherever it finds the capital letter, it will show us the true. Okay, now convert this into, I'll copy this one because I have to use again and again, double negative, F9. See, 1 2 3, converting true into ones and false into 0 by placing double negative. Some product can handle array. Enter. 3 2. If I change only one letter, 1. Okay, if I change all capital letters, let's see, Excel. See, okay, now coming to here, equal, control V. In place of upper you have to use lower. That's it. Enter. It will give only the true or falses. You come here and F9, see, true, 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 all are small letters. Wherever it finds the true, double negative, F9. See, here use only some product, SUMP. Some product can handle array, so it will convert, it will count total 1. See, 5. Totally small letters are 5. Double negative, sorry, here there is no capital letters, capital letter. See, okay, 1 2 3. See, okay, now coming to the last one, but not the least, it's very important, guys. I'll delete this one first of all. Control, all of this, delete. Okay, you have to count how many are the nearest, I mean to say greatest 120. Here actually greatest 120, not 110. Greatest. I'll copy this one first of all. Wait a second, guys. Control C, Control V, F2. In place of here, I have to use this one. In place of less than, you have to use greater than. First of all, what they said you have to mention. Okay, greater than. Okay. Here, if I change anything, it will also change. Here also, you have to count first and last occurrence of the first and last. Sorry, not first and last. Here, first and last, and count and sum and extract. These are the 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. You have to extract, you have to count, you have to sum, you have to find first occurrence, and you have to find last occurrence of the value which is greater than 110. Okay, so first of all I'll use this one. It's very simple, guys. Select this whole thing, greater than this. I'm counting. Now I'm counting. Okay, F9. Wherever it finds the true, convert true into falses by double negative. Okay, double negative, F9. See, these are the numbers are there which is greater than 110. Okay, I'll copy this one because I have to use so many times. Control, wait a minute, guys. Here, Control C, and you have to use some product. Some product are can handle array, and close parenthesis, enter. Total 15 are there which is greater than 110, which is greater than 110. You have to count those things. Control V, you have to sum. First of all, you have to sum into open parenthesis. Okay, I did not kept the equal sign over there. Equal into this. F9. See, total numbers are there which is greater than 110. You have to sum. Okay, you have to sum. Sum product. Enter. It can handle array. Some first occurrence. Okay. Now all are same things, guys. Just I am copying which I pasted earlier. Equal to, which is greater than, match true, comma 0. F9. So second position is the greatest and nearest to 110. Okay, now index F4 comma control shift enter 117. Last occurrence, it's a last occurrence. What will do here? 1 divided by whole thing, so it will give us 101 usable by error, all those things. Okay, so you have to find the last occurrence. So look up 2 comma 1 divided by, and the lookup vector will be, sorry, the result vector will be this one, F4. So 124 is the last occurrence value. The first occurrence value will be greater than 110. If I change this to 100, it will give all, no, not 100, 125. Let's see. Okay, nearest and greater than. Here you have to count. Now you have to count less than. Procedure is same, guys. F2, sorry, F2, instead of greater than you have to use less than. That's it, equal to less than. Instead of this you have to use less than. Okay, I'll copy whole formula, that's better, because just we are converting greater than to less than. Okay, just use this one, less than, enter. Okay, count the same formula which I applied here, control C, escape, F2, control V. In place of greater than you have to use less than, enter. Extract, okay, here extract is there. Okay, I'll drag this formula a little bit. I'll drag this one. Okay, now here you have to extract first occurrence, the same thing, the same formula, but instead of greater than you have to use less than. That's it, less than. Last occurrence, the same thing, but you have to use less than. The same formulas, greater than and less than, enter. Lookup also will okay, okay, lookup also will can handle array. Lookup some product, like some functions are there which can handle array. Okay, now coming to extract part, here you have to extract, here you have to extract. Okay, index, control shift down arrow, F4 comma. In previous video I explained you why I am taking this thing. Okay, total formula copied now. Okay, I'll copy this, I'll copy from here, not this much, only this part, control C, escape, is equal to index, control shift down arrow, F4 comma small f, control V. In my previous video I explained you why I am taking this type of array constraint function. Okay, if you want you can go through and check why I am taking this type of array function. So this one plus 1 close parenthesis, which doesn't need false rows, $80 $80 colon C80. Okay, wait a minute, I'll remove errors also, it's better. If you find any error in this function, show me the blank. If you find any error in this function in here. Okay, totally 5 are there, 1 2 3 4 5. If you want you can go through and check whether it is sum is 691 or not. Okay, the same function, but instead of greater than you have to use less than. F2 control V, instead of greater than you have to use less than, and here you have to convert C into G, here also G, because we are in G80. Okay, G80. Okay, control shift and enter. drag formula. See, okay, less than 125, these many are there. If you want, you can check it. And if anybody wants this file, please mention your mail ID in the comment box, so that I will send this file to those people who will mention their mail IDs in the comment box. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your support, have a nice day.